Hey YouTube, it's Dimitri, and today we're going to give out some tickets here for the Quant conference, which is April 18th here in Richardson, Texas, which is really Dallas, Texas here, at UTD, so University of Texas, Dallas, sponsored by Agora Data, and of course we are giving away 10 free tickets to undergraduates who actually entered the drawing here from the Master of Science in Computational Finance here from Carnegie Mellon. So a few things before we do the ticket giveaway here. So I looked at some of these tickets here, and I saw some universities in other countries. The conference is in person and it's live. If you would somehow like to come to the conference on your own dime, awesome. But I will do the random giveaway here. Again, I want you guys to, if you win a ticket, to actually come and use the ticket and be here, because this is an in-person conference only here. I'm going to give you 1 week to claim your ticket here. I'm going to put my email address in the comments below here. So you need to email me and say, hey, Dimitri, I won. This is my school. This is who I am. And then I will send you out the ticket here. Again, you will have until Sunday, March 30th at midnight to respond. If you don't claim your ticket and don't message me, then I will actually give it away to somebody else. So we're going to do that drawing here. Now, there is a little bit of a hint here. I have another video coming out soon. So Lehigh University, their financial engineering program, is actually going to be doing the exact same giveaway here. They would like to participate as well. So a huge thank you to Lehigh University. I will do another video on them with, again, another week. I'm going to use some of the same applications or submissions here that we have in the actual YouTube here for the Carnegie Mellon one, but I'm going to post another video as well. I will aggregate them again and we will draw another 10, because Lehigh said they would also like to give out 10 tickets to undergraduate students who can attend the Quant conference April 18th here. So again, I'm going to emphasize this. Please do not accept a ticket if you're not going to come. Again, I can't imagine many people are going to travel internationally just for a conference here in Dallas, but I don't know. We do have many students flying from all over the US currently to come to the conference, so I'm very excited about that. If you do win the ticket, again, please use the email address below in the description here, message me, and then I will coordinate with you on how to get you your ticket here. So without further ado, let's jump on over here. There are 50 comments in total on here. 3 of these comments aren't submissions. So one of these is mine, just reminding you it's an in-person conference. There's somebody asking a question here, and there's another one that's saying, you know, basically like, they just missed it because I think they just graduated. So again, currently not an undergraduate student here. Let's go to a random number generator. We're going to go from 1 to 47. So there's 47 people that are going to be able to get pulled here. I'm going to click the generate button 10 times. I'm going to write these down. So let me grab a piece of paper and we will see who the winners are here. Again, if you win and you can't go for some reason, just don't claim it here. In a week, I will actually reach out and do another drawing and give away some more of these tickets. I will probably just lump this with the Lehigh drawing as well, so we can try to speed this up so you guys can get your tickets and know that you're able to come or not come. And then if you really want to come and you're going to purchase a ticket, you're not doing everything last minute here. So let's kick this off here without further ado. Okay, 35, 18, 9, 34, 39, 12, 20, 40, 47, and the last one is 7. Okay, so let's go to the comments and figure out who these are going to be real quick. And I'll put them on a list here on the screen, and I'll show you who these names are. Again, this is how I see the comments on here. I will go through them numerically, and I will count them out, and I will list your name here on the screen. So if you see your name on this screen right here, please email me at my email. It's listed in the description of this video below to claim your ticket. So anyways, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. And as always, until next time.